everyone, I am Ramyashri. Welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. This is Astro Market Weekly Update for the last week of October 2025. From 27th of October till 31st of October, there is only one major planetary transit, that is the planet of force, the planet of action, Mars. Mangal, fondly known as Senapati, will be moving out of Libra, Tula Rashi, and will be entering his own sign Scorpio or Vrishchik Rashi, where already his arch rival Mercury, Buddha, who is Karaka for stock markets, is present. The whole week will have the opening bell in Vrishchik Lagna, where Mercury is present, and from 28th of October till 31st, even Mars also would be present. So on 27th of market, we'll see a different kind of sentiments or different kind of mood of investors when the market opens, and from 28th to 31st, it would be entirely different, because Lagna Lord in the Lagna is always good, and we can see some kind of determination, passion or some aggression also from 28th of October till 31st of October. Generally, Mars and Mercury conjunction in the Lagna is not considered good, or wherever it is not considered good. From stock market perspective, if the opening bell is having such arch rivals in close conjunction in the Lagna, is not considered good. But because Jupiter is in the 9th house exalted, as well as he is the 2nd and 5th lord aspecting the Lagna, so monetarily this would be one of the finest time periods. So the whole week opening would be definitely a good one, especially 28th to 31st. We can expect a good opening, because Jupiter is aspecting the Vrishchik Rashi and also will be aspecting Mars and Mercury, and that's why we won't see any kind of disappointments or any kind of corrections also for this week. So we have the protection of Jupiter, Guru, Brihaspati, so we don't have to worry for the whole week. But there would be little bit ups and downs because of Moon's conjunction with Rahu on 31st of October. Moon would be in Dhanishta Nakshatra on 31st of October and would be very close to Rahu on that day. So Moon's position in Dhanur Rashi and Makar Rashi for the first 4 days would really do well, and on the day when Moon is in Makar Rashi, both Uttarashada, Shravana, and aspected by Jupiter, this will prove to be a very good time period. So I expect 29th and 30th October be very good than other 3 days. So Wednesday and Thursday seems to be very positive. So in the screen you can see I have prepared a table to depict how the mood of the investors would be, or how the trading volume or how the sentiments would be for the whole day on each day, for the whole day for all the 5 days. So I have used both Lagna chart concept as well as Hora concept. So based on that, I have rated as average, above average, dull, excellent, everything. So you can understand. So the keywords would name the same kind of sentiments. So that also will show how the market would move also at those hours. So its opening bell is 9:15 to 10:30. Then 10:30 to 12:30 is the second session, 12:30 to 2:30 is the third session, and the final one would be from 2:30 to 3:30. The last 1 hour closing session. So I hope this would be useful for you. Now let's see which are the well performing and underperforming sectors for the whole week. Considering the opening bell chart, which has Vrishchik Lagna with Mars and Mercury in the Lagna for major part of the week, that is from 28th to 31st, and exalted Jupiter in 9th house, a major Dhanasthana, being the lord of 2 other Dhanasthanas, 2nd and 5th house. So Jupiter is controlling all the 3 Trikonas, that is Lakshmi Sthana. So it is aspecting Mars, Mercury as well as Saturn. So that's why the well-performing sector would be related to Mars, Mercury and Saturn, that is metals, mining, automobiles, banking, FMCG, public sector, especially steel sector. Because Mars is Karaka for steel or for automobiles, and when he enters Vrishchik Rashi on 27th of October around 3 p.m, we'll see a great rise in these steel stocks as well. on 28th of October when the market opens in Vrishchik Lagna. So it's like Lagna Lord in the Lagna forming Ruchak Mahapurush Yoga. So Mars would be in a very good position, and that's why we can expect a great amount of surge in prices as well for steel automobile sector. The first Navamsha is definitely a niche Navamsha for Mars, but still because Jupiter is aspecting it, and also in Navamsha Jupiter will be together with Mars in Navamsha, you don't have to fear. These sectors will perform really well. Even when we look at commodities, copper as well as crude oil also will be doing really well for this week, and that's all due to Mars and Jupiter. So that's why the whole week we'll see these sectors performing really well. So the sectors which won't be performing that well or which are underperforming are Venus related sectors. So hospitality, travel tourism, fashion, media, entertainment, sugar sector, or even pharmaceutical sector, healthcare, they will face some kind of corrections or some kind of poor performances this week, because their Venus is debilitated and it is moving towards deep debilitation on 30th and 31st of October, and even Saturn would be aspecting through its Vakri Drishti. So that's why these sectors may not perform to that extent, and 30th and 31st would be pretty crucial days for these sectors. And there is no other major or any good aspect also, and even Mercury, who is the lord of this Kanya Rashi where Venus is present, is conjunct with Mars and is receiving Jupiter aspect. So it will do or it will perform well in that place, but won't be able to support Venus to that extent. And that's why sugar, hospitality, fashion, media, entertainment, these sectors, tourism, all these sectors may not perform to that extent. So these were the well performing and underperforming sectors for this week. Apart from these sectors, the other sectors which are moderately performing for this week are transportation, logistics, shipping, petroleum, oil and gas, especially on 29th and 30th of October when moon is in Uttarashada and Shravana Nakshatra and receiving the full aspect of Jupiter from Cancer sign, which is moon sign itself. So moon and Jupiter's Gajikesari Yoga in 3-9 axis will fuel the performance of these sectors. In commodities, tin, coal, iron and steel, leather, crude oil will do really well, and even mustard and wheat as well. The precious metals, gold and silver also will do really well, especially on 29th and 30th. Silver prices might surge to a very great extent is what I can say. So these were the predictions for this week. The well performing, underperforming, commodities, everything I have tried to cover. Please drop in your feedback and suggestions in the comment box, and remember the disclaimer, your investment choices are based on your own decision, and my videos are just for entertainment purpose. Thank you.